Today's episode is Tony pulls the school fire alarm / skips school and comes back home / expelled / super duper grounded. Ugh, another day for fucking school. Can this get worse?
That's so fucking fuckity fucking right, you stupid asshole. Get your fucking asshole to school right. Fuck no. Get to the bathroom and brush your teeth.
Fuck you, Dad.
Brush your teeth right. Fucking no. Now, come downstairs and eat your fucking breakfast. Yacht.
Noom.
Tony, thoughts fucking newt. How the fuck you fucking eat, you fucking stupid idiot. Eat quickly, you stupid duck.
All done. Finished my breakfast.
Good. Now get the fuck out of here and don't come back until you finish school.
Okay, Dad, I'm going to school right now. Please, don't be such a psychopath. At school.
Okay, class, it's time for math.
Excuse me, Mr. Thomas, can I please go use the bathroom?
Okay, Tony, you can go use the bathroom.
Thank you, sir. What's the fire alarm doing here? I wonder what the fuck will happen if I pull the fire alarm. Well, let's pull it. Oh shit. I need to get the fuck out of here right fucking now.
Holy shit. Class, we're having a fire drill. Let's get the fuck out of the classroom and line up.
Oh crap, when Tony got home. Yes, I am home. Now let's go inside. Hello, Dad, I'm home.
Hello, Tony, how was your... Wait a second. Tony, what the fuck are you doing at home so early? Aren't you supposed to be at school?
Well, Dad, the school day was dismissed, so we get to go home early.
Oh. Well, Tony, if the school day ended early, would you like to watch some TV with me?
Yes, Dad, I would like to watch TV with you. Meanwhile at the principal's office. Okay, firefighters, who was the one who pulled the fire alarm?
Well, Principal James, it was Tony, who pulled the school fire alarm for a prank. And also, he skipped school and went back home just to ditch school.
Oh my god! I can't believe it was Tony who pulled that fucking fire alarm. He is so going to be expelled for this. I am going to give his parents a call right now. Meanwhile at home.
Ah shit, here we go again with my phone. Hello, who is this?
Hello, this is Principal James speaking, and I want to tell you that Tony pulled the school fire alarm as a prank.
What?
Yes, he pulled the fire alarm, and that was not funny. For this, he is expelled forever. So, goodbye!
Oh. My. Gosh.
Oh fuck. I am so dead.
You are fucking right, you stupid psychopath. Wait, my fucking gosh. Oh my fucking god, I dare you to go jump off a bridge, you dumb bass idiot. We are stupid idiots. Ha 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 ha. Toon blast idiots, jerky poopy shitty bozo idiot guy. Such a bastard head. Suck my fucking dick, jerky poopy shitty asshole jackass slut bitch bastard head idiot bozo. Tony, I can't fucking believe you pulled the school fire alarm, skipped school, came back home early, get expelled forever, and make me furious. That's it. You are so fucking grounded for 152552952952952959395295395295191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191919191 1119 fucking million forevers. Go to your fucking room right fucking now, you stupid cocksucker.
Waffles dog dog do goss.